right, good morning. That was a cold start of our SLK55 AMG. As you can see here, no lights on the dash, just under 40,000 miles. We are preparing to take this car out for our auction photo shoot. So we will have a lot more to show you on this car. But just a little bit around the cabin here. We have an aftermarket head unit here. We have our climate controls up and running because it is a cool day here in Pennsylvania. Have heated seats for both driver and passenger. They will come in handy today. Otherwise, not a whole lot to show you. That won't be shown in the listing, but just to get it started, we fired up the V8 for you, and we will be proceeding with the rest of our documentation. So thank you for watching, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop them in the comments.